Welcome to WYSIWYG Solutions. Today, we'll explore our React Advanced Rich Text Editor, a powerful, feature-rich, and customizable WYSIWYG editor built for modern React applications. With comprehensive formatting options, security features, and plugin support, it's a complete solution for content creation, documentation, and rich text editing needs. Let's start with the first section, text formatting. Under text formatting, you'll find all the essential tools for styling your content. Bold, italic, underline, and strike-through give you complete control over text emphasis. Superscript and subscript support scientific notation, mathematical equations, and citations. The text color picker allows you to apply any color to selected text, while the highlight tool lets you mark important sections with background colors. Smart case conversion transforms selected text uppercase or lowercase with a single click. Now let's move on to text structure. The text structure section provides professional document organization. Headings from H1 to H6 are available through an intuitive drop-down, making it easy to create hierarchical document structures. Paragraph formatting ensures clean, readable content blocks. Text alignment options, left, center, and right, give you precise control over content layout. Block quotes with citation support let you properly attribute quotes and references, perfect for academic and professional documents. Next, let's explore lists. The list section offers comprehensive list management. Unordered lists support 3 styles, disk, circle, and square, perfect for different design needs. Ordered lists provide 5 numbering formats, standard numbers, lowercase letters, uppercase letters, Roman numerals, and lowercase Roman numerals. Nested list support allows you to create complex, multi-level structures for detailed documentation. Now let's see the media and links section. The media and links functionality transforms your editor into a multimedia content platform. Image insertion includes a full-featured image editor where you can adjust width and height with aspect ratio locking. Set alignment, left, right, to position images exactly where you need them. Customize borders with width, style, and color options. Add border radius for rounded corners, and control margins for perfect spacing. Alt text support ensures accessibility and SEO compliance. Links automatically open in new tabs with security attributes, protecting your users from potential vulnerabilities. Now let's move on to tables. The tables section features an innovative visual grid selector. Hover over a 10x10 grid to preview your table size, then click to insert. The system automatically creates properly formatted tables with styled cells, making data presentation professional and consistent. Next, let's explore content management. The content management tools streamline your editing workflow. Undo and redo functionality provides complete editing history control. Copy, cut, and paste operations include automatic HTML sanitization, ensuring safe content transfer from external sources like Microsoft Word. The search and highlight feature lets you find any text instantly, with navigation buttons to jump between matches. Select all and delete options give you quick bulk editing capabilities. Now let's see the advanced features. The advanced features section includes powerful tools for professional content creation. HTML code view toggle lets you switch between visual editing and raw HTML, perfect for developers and advanced users. The emoji picker integrates seamlessly, allowing you to add emojis with theme-aware styling. Preview mode shows exactly how your content will appear to end users, without any editing interface distractions. Horizontal rules help you visually separate content sections. Autosave to local storage ensures your work is never lost, with configurable storage keys for multiple editor instances. Next, let's explore the plugin system. The plugin system makes the editor infinitely extensible. HTML tag plugins let you wrap selected text with custom tags, perfect at creating specialized formatting. Command plugins execute standard document commands, extending core functionality. Action plugins allow you to run custom JavaScript functions, enabling unlimited customization possibilities. Type plugins provide built-in functionality like timestamp insertion, with more types available for expansion. Each plugin can be conditionally shown based on allowed tags, ensuring a clean, context-aware interface. Now let's see the theme system. The theme system provides a modern, adaptable user experience. Light and dark themes are fully supported, with automatic system preference detection. Theme preferences are saved to local storage and shared across all editor instances. Manual theme toggle gives users control, while the system respects their operating system settings. All UI elements, toolbars, drop-downs, modals, and pop-ups adapt seamlessly to the selected theme. Finally, let's explore the configuration options. The configuration menu gives you complete control over editor behavior. Allowed tag configuration lets you restrict which HTML tags and actions are available, perfect for creating role-based editing experiences. Storage key management controls autosave functionality. Set a key to enable or use an empty string to disable. Height and width options support fixed pixels, responsive sizing, or auto-sizing based on content minimum height settings. Ensure your editor always maintains a usable size. Custom class name support lets you apply your own styling for complete design integration. The Tag Selector interface provides an intuitive way to configure allowed tags and actions, with filtering options to manage large tag lists efficiently, and that completes our walkthrough of the React Advanced Rich Text Editor by WYSIWYG Solutions. From basic text formatting and structure to advanced features like tables, media management, security, and extensible plugins, everything a modern web application needs for rich text editing is available in one unified, React-optimized solution. With comprehensive security, theme support, responsive design, and seamless React integration, it's the ultimate professional editor for smart, efficient, and secure content creation. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit www.webicrown.com or contact us at support@webicrown.com.